Hey kids, let's learn the top 6.7 Brainrot terms that are trending right now. 6.7! Rizz, short for charisma, refers to someone's ability to attract or charm others, especially in flirting. Commonly used in gaming and TikTok slang. He's got mad Rizz, everyone likes him. 6.7!
6.7!
Delulu, from delusional. Used playfully to describe someone who believes in unrealistic fantasies, often about love or fame. Delulu is the Solulu. 6 and 7! 6.7! Bussin' means something is really good or delicious. Popular in food videos and reactions. This ramen is actually bussin'. 6.7!
Okay.
Gee-yat! Exclamation of surprise or admiration, especially when seeing someone attractive. Originated from goddamn. Gee-ya! Did you see her outfit? 6.7! Fanum Tax. A meme term meaning when a friend takes some of your food or things without asking. Playful and funny. Bro just took my fries! That's Fanum Tax. Skibidi, a nonsense word turned meme used to describe chaotic, absurd internet humor. Represents pure brainrot energy. That video is peak Skibidi behavior.
6.7.
6.7. The ultimate meaningless meme number used to express absurdity, randomness, or just brainrot itself. What are you talking about?
This is how brain rot is holding you back. You keep putting things off.